quick video on how to transition from one track to another using effects to help you smoothly transition, keeping an eye on the phrasing so that it all seems logical as you transition across. And we might even use one or two subtle effects to add a little flavour to the mix. The track, I'm going to bring in the wave file. The grid markers on the wave file are out, so I'm going to just adjust those by going to the grid adjust. I'm going to set the downbeat. You make me do things. And you can see now it's actually locked in, it looks pretty good. I give myself over to you freely. I'm going to audition this in my headphones. Your kiss is so sweet, I lose control. Sounds good. Think about you. Looks good. In my dreams, then I know. It's all about you. In preparation for my mix, I'm going to remove the bass on the track I'm bringing in. So that's the lows on the mixer. Start bringing it in now, slowly. Swap the bass over. Finish my mix by bringing down the one I had in. So when you're using effects, make room for the effects to be activated. So take some bass out or mids out, whichever you feel. In this case, I'm going to use a bit of reverb. Just a little flavour of reverb. So same again, I'm going to bring my next track in. Slowly drop the bass and switch it over. Here we go. And that's it, that's the way to do it. If you want to keep that energy in the track, doesn't matter what sort of music it is really, if it's dance music. But the key things really are keeping an eye on that phrasing, making sure it sounds logical, make room for your effect when you're using it. Remember to drop the bass on the track you're bringing in, and either slowly incorporate it or just drop it as you switch over. Right, that's it. See you next time.